up, everybody? Real quick here. Was going to turn the machine on, get it going. We got the vacuum hooked up. Safety glasses. I do have ear protection on the bench. We'll get this baby going. All I'm doing is I have my pre-cut boards here for the trays I'm going to be carving. And I'm just going to knock the edge down, and I've done a few. And yeah, just want to show you how real quick this goes. Also, I talked to a couple of you that I got this brand new square I was really happy about. I wanted one of those new fancy ones, and I get it, and it's, you can put it in your pocket. So, but it's square or square. So there's that. All right, well, we're going to fire this thing up and get to some cutting.